So Metro SafeTrack Surge number 9 is a series of repairs that Metrorail will be doing, and Surge 9 will start September 15th through October 26th. It's important to note that during Surge 9, Metro stations on the Orange Line between Vienna and West Falls Church will be single tracking for 42 days. And basically everybody who travels along the major corridors within Fairfax County, including I-66 and 495, will be impacted. During weekend travel, there will be complete shutdowns between Vienna and West Falls Church, Metrorail stations on the Orange Line, and if you want to find more information, you can go to fairfaxcounty.gov/safetrack. So in order to prepare for this next surge, we are encouraging people to telework and use flexible work schedules as much as possible. We're also urging people to consider alternate modes of transportation, whether that's taking the bus, carpooling, van pooling. So those are just some other options.